Hi and welcome to StockInvest.us. My name is Jim and I'm one of the co-founders of StockInvest. I've been trading stocks since 1996 and I've always been in love with charts, technical analysis and the deeper things of signals and formations. And in this very short video that I prepared for you, I will show you a little bit how you can use our page at least to get started. I will show you the golden star, I will even show you a few lists and things I think really can make a difference for you. So why not? Let's get started. Why not? Let's start straight on the front page. And on the front page there is two tools which I like a lot. The very first is called Trending Stocks Today. These are stocks that are popular. More important for me, however, is the coloration. You can see some are red, some are green, some are orange. This means that we have given the candidate, the red candidate, a sell evaluation, the green a buy evaluation, and the orange is just a hold. To me, this gives an indication about the market situation. When markets were very bad, you could see all these being red simply because we had an overweight of sell signals. Having, like now, 3-4 green, 3-4 red, and a few orange indicates to me a market imbalance. It's a very quick way to see the status of the market. The other thing that I always look at is the market temperature. Is an even better tool, because here you can see in this case the total evaluation of 19,098 tickers, and right now there is 30% buy signals. If this number is very low, like a few weeks ago before recording this, it was down at 14. It was week 11 2022. And being that low, well, that indicates that we are heading for a rebounds up. And maybe if you follow the markets, you know that in week 11, markets went up 8%. Nasdaq was up 8%. So it's a quick, easy way to see the status of the market. If there is too many sell candidates, we know that the market is oversold. We are getting ready for a buy. Same thing. If it's too many buy candidates, we know that the markets most likely will react down. As is, you can see in front of me, markets are in somewhat balance. These are two examples of the front page which I like a lot. We analyze more than 35,000 tickers across 38 exchanges, and if you go a little bit down on the page, you can find the exchanges and you can easily click to any market which you follow. But maybe like me, you know which market you follow, you even know the name of the companies. The fastest way to get the company is just to write the name or the ticker. And I am Norwegian, and of course I like to follow Norwegian stocks. One of which is of course Equinor, the Norwegian oil company. And going to Equinor, we have a full analysis. We can see that the score is 2.18. It's currently ranked a buy candidate. And first time we started recommending Equinor was in 2021, actually November the 30th. And since then, Equinor is up 40%, meaning that ever since November 30th, we have said buy or hold. And in this period, the stock is up 40%. You can read technical analysis after some time. You start to know, and you instantly know just by looking at the chart. And what is it that we like to look at the chart? Well, I love moving averages simply because they give me an idea of the chart itself. Trend should always be your friend. As you can see in this case, Equinor is in a rising trend. The other thing is, of course, how do I find a stock and where should I look for it? For a part of my portfolio, I like high risk stocks. I like stocks that can move very fast upwards. To find these stocks, I usually every day scan trading IDs. Trading IDs are simply just lists that we pre-made for you. And two of my favorites is the undervalue list and the relative strength index list. And let's quickly have a look at the undervalue list. The undervalue list are stocks which are in the bottom of the trend or otherwise have fallen much lately. The first thing you like to do is select the markets, and as you can see I have Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange. I quickly go over the charts just to see if there's any chart I like better than the other. And for the first few there is none that fit me very well. This company looks a little bit more interesting. It's in a rising trend. It has no resistance above. Usually then I just click onto the chart and I check it. I especially check for volume. I want to see that it has enough trading volume because some of the stocks can be illiquid. In this case I like everything I see and I put this stock on my list of potential buyer. What I really like about this stock is there is no resistance above. Resistance is shown, resistance and support is shown in these gray bars, it's previous trades. So in my opinion, this stock should just continue upwards and there should be some percentages. The other list, which I check because I take these candidates, I write them down on a piece of paper or in an Excel sheet to select the one I like the very most. The other list is the relative strength index. Relative strength index measure how many days the stock been going up compared to going down for a certain period, in this case 14 days. And here again I just go over the charts and we will see they are colored green at the end, meaning they are oversold. I try to be a little careful because what I'm looking for is a stock that has fallen a lot and at the very end of the fall has rising volume, usually meaning that there is a sell-off. This stock, for instance, has that to some degree. I'm not sure what company it is, but usually then I go in and check. And what I can see in this company, I can see a stock that has a very huge fall, has a volume. This is referred to a sell-off. The relative strength index is very low. And I consider the possibility that this stock will have a rebound up, a natural rebound up. I'm not sure if this is the best candidate simply because it's been trading on very low volume previously. So I put this stock also on my list because it's interesting. Then later I check different sources to see if there's any special news causing this huge fall. But this is a classic case of a stock that I think might go up in short term. And if you listen to my podcast or you follow some of our newsletter of everything, you know that lately many of these stocks have yielded upwards to 400%. You have to be careful and there are things to learn. But this is one of the ways that I find candidates which really help me in the trading. For the very last part, I will just show you a few more things and then I will leave you so you can enjoy our site. Of course you wonder how much do I have to pay for this? Well, actually you don't have to pay anything because 90% of our content is totally free. You don't even have to register, but if you do, you will get a few nice items. One of these is an own profile page, and if you click on the profile page you will be able to read, for instance, the chapters of my book How to Lose Money When Trading, where I try to teach you the things that usually cause you to lose money. Of course we want to avoid that. At StockInvest we always say reduce your losses, increase your gains. That's the way to gain money while trading. But there is much more. You can select notifications, and here you can get push notifications. You can sign up for newsletter. You will even have your own watch list, and of course you can follow predictions where you will get a notification every time someone predicts a ticker that you follow. And there is so much more. The other thing is, of course, maybe you want everything that we offer. And as I said, most is for free, more than 90% is for free, but a few things are under subscription. That is how we are able to develop this product and continue to give you even better services. One of the most popular things is the golden star. This is a signal that I invented back in 2007. It is simply when moving averages crosses the price line in a very special pattern. And as you can see here in this illustration, usually when a golden star is found, you have a very strong upturn for the stock. Here I do like I always do. I quickly go over every day over the chart to see if I see a stock that has the signal, because sometimes signals can be false, and a pattern I like. Like this stock looks very good to me, some resistance above, but it's really moving in the right direction. And I just continue downwards and check until I find a stock or several stocks that I like. And again, I put these on my list. At the end, I will go back and simply refine the list and see if I find the trading candidates that I really like. And I do this every day. And as I said, if you follow our podcast, you will know that over the last few weeks we had several stocks doing upwards to 400% profit. And this is just how I do it. I use lists. It's an easy way to find the tickers that may yield, not always. Anyway, it's time for you to start browsing our page. Hopefully you will register and enjoy even more. And if you subscribe, well, further down on this page we left a discount for you, so you can get the services even cheaper. And should you have any questions, you can always use our help desk system. Send me a message and I will, if I have time, reply you, tell you what I think, because most people often ask me, what do you think about this stock? What do you think about the future? And I try to do my very best. I give you the podcast, and of course I do occasionally some private chats as well. And we have a huge team which will help you in any other questions you have, whether it is technical related, if it's related to billing. Anyway, thank you for listening, and I hope you will find our page useful. Bye.